Mulching in gardening. Mulching is one of the simplest yet most powerful practices every gardener should embrace. At first glance, it looks like just a layer of leaves, straw, or bark spread over soil, but its benefits go much deeper. Mulch acts like a protective blanket, keeping the soil cool in summer and warm in winter. It helps lock in moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering, while also preventing weeds from stealing nutrients. As organic mulches like compost, shredded leaves, or grass clippings break down, they enrich the soil with natural nutrients, feeding plants slowly and steadily. Even non-organic options, such as pebbles or plastic sheets, play a role in conserving water and controlling weeds. Beyond these practical uses, mulch gives the garden a neat and polished look, covering bare soil with texture and color. It also reduces erosion during heavy rains and creates a healthier environment for beneficial soil creatures like earthworms. Whether in flower beds, vegetable patches, or potted plants, mulching saves time, effort, and resources while keeping plants strong and thriving. In many ways, mulch is the quiet caretaker of the garden, working silently to protect, nourish, and beautify the soil beneath.